This looks like a decent kebab. Sayang.
Dzień dobry, dzień dobry. It has been a long time we didn't make a video, so we just, showing you how it's update. We will have lunch, kebab for today.
Smacznego. But genuine, look at this lava. Good quality, and look at this meat. So good.
Smacznego.
Smacznego. So we had a kebab in this place in Poznan Street, just in case if you're interested. Probably not. However, maybe if you are from Poznan, there is a new kebab in town and it's really good, approved by TheMonkeys. I used to eat quite a lot of kebabs in my life, especially everywhere actually, on 4 continents.
That reminds me of the kebabs in the Kuala Lumpur of Malaysia.
That was one of the best actually what we used to have, and this one is actually really, really good. And it's our day off. And this is the walking street in Poznan. It's called Poznan Street. Look like this one. It's been actually really longer while, Sayang, when we were filming here.
Yeah, so now we decided to just run around Poznan cities, especially on our day off, like going for lunch together, going to the coffee shop.
Ice cream
or something like that. So yeah.
Let's see.
And today is the first day of the school.
September, 1st September, first day of school.
So yeah.
A lot of schoolies everywhere around. They back to business, finally. Let me know if you like the first day of schools. However, that's how does it look like. And it's beautiful weather actually. So happy days. So that was the walking little bit. And now we're going for where? Coffee.
So I think this one is a brand new coffee shop. I think that's the hype.
In this kamienica.
And look at this beautiful kamienica, which is
they're fully renovated recently. Very nice. And the coffee shop is this one. You have a view of the street from these windows. Hopefully we can get a seat by the window actually. We were there last week and we didn't film anything. I don't know why actually. And yeah, this is how does it look like. So we have coffee in our favorite coffee shop. Also new. Both things what we're visiting today, they are brand new. How come?
The thing is that what I see in Poznan, there are so many brand new restaurants, business coming up. In recent days, it seems like business in gastronomy is really booming nowadays. Many brand new restaurants. Even in our apartment in Besice, also many brand new. But yeah, because we just had our kebab in Poznan Street, which is a famous walking street in Poznan. So yeah, we decided to go to coffee.
And the name is Charlotte, very American name.
Nice. So I'll show you around. Give me the phone, Kahanye. Okay. Woo. And this is the place. It's just like 4 p.m. and it's quieter because people coming mostly for the breakfast, huh?
This is like a typical breakfast place actually. Then unfortunately many things what I wanted to order are sold out today. So this is not the endorsement, alright? Especially not paid, right? But they don't have an egg, they don't have a croissant with fruit.
But
they have a pain au chocolat.
Not that. We're sharing because we are caring to you guys. Whenever you come to Poznan and thinking what to eat and where to eat. So yeah, and this is the place. It's nice. And they also have us sitting outside like this. Oh, Kohanye, how is your coffee?
Coffee is alright. But it's more like a French taste rather than Italian, but it's nice. But one thing what I realized here is that, this will be a second time, as all the team here, and there's quite a lot of people like for European standard here, they're all young, very young, like students or something like that, which is also a very unique concept. And I just realized actually as nowadays not many people going to work and live abroad like I used to do when I was their age, like in 2010. And now people just stay in Poland and enjoy the time here. So Poland has changed for better, I believe.
So where the many young people actually they need to work abroad, no? Huh?
That's the thing. Now only people going to live abroad, only those who really wants to, or unknown reason. But now definitely not about the money reason. Not about the financial. Really big difference.
That's true. The number of the young people who work here and the people, the customers, kohanya, you have to see that the customer is mostly
The
young
also
people.
thing is that there is so many coffee shops, so many restaurants, so many fancy places in Poland, and there's still people coming and enjoying the time outside. That's good. That's actually very happy to see that. As Polish, it's myself. So the place generally is nice, like in the corner, as you can see, like very American style kinds of. But this is actually Kamienica. The building is old, like over 100-year old, like all of them. There is the city center, actually. Some Kamienicas here and there, and so yeah, everything refurbished and in the nice shape. It's also very clean on the streets and it's safe. Nobody will probably kill us on the streets, Sayang, right? If you know what I mean.
How safe it is here in Poznan.
No tak. And we are in the Kupiec here, actually. And this Kamienica, this building at the front of you, as you can see, we will stop for a while. It's recently brand newly renovated. It's completely renovated with the beautiful balconies and the flowers and everything. Down there is the restaurant. And there at the far is still under the renovation, but will be continuation to this one and so on. So as you can see, everything.
So many development here.
That's it. And still beautiful weather today, Sam.
Let's go to the Stary.
No tak, I wanna have ice cream there. The włoskie. Let's go. And that's the situation. It's 3:30 p.m. on Monday, by the way. Just wanted to tell you. Ciao! And this one is actually still under the renovation, and I will zoom it a little bit for you, as this is over 100-year-old and still didn't refurbished. But look how it looks inside, how destroyed it actually is, and how it's gonna look like later, right? Sayang, co robisz?
It's the last summer, so decided to buy ice cream after coffee, like kohannya
No tak?
for the dessert. I got sugar rush already.
Italian
So,
ice cream so best.
We take you to stroll around the market square in Poznan. You know, right now Poznan is what is it called? Rewarded as the best city to live in Poland. So I'll show you how it is. The Stary, the market square.
Sayang just said how colorful and peaceful is Poznan, right? Or life in Poland, generally speaking. Maybe your ice cream is melting, lah?
No.
This is also beautiful weather for the 1st of September, last month of the nice weather actually. And then will be nice weather all at the winter time, Sayang. Oh, very beautiful. Generally very beautiful and peaceful. Nice breeze and everything. You're right. And then there is the City Hall. And this is the City Hall. You may see that already many times was filming. But that's how does it look like. And this Kamienica again under the renovation to match the rest one. Sayang, enjoy ka ice cream? That's nice coincidence actually. So right now we are in the Stary Browar Mall, which was the old brewery long time ago. Recently it's fancy mall. That was one of the most beautiful mall in Poland for many years actually, since 2012. Not sure how it is now. However, that's our lovely peaceful day of Sayang.
Right, so I think that's our video today, guys. It's just like a quickly update about how is life in Poland, especially in Poznan city. Right, kochanie?
That's right. Hope you enjoy our faces again on the screen, and maybe I'm gonna make more videos in the upcoming days, because maybe, why not? Let's see. Depends how I'm gonna feel it.
Thanks for watching and see you next time.
See ya,
Bye.
take care.